Hello, Tita Baby. Hinga muna. Hinga muna.
Magandang gabi sa inyo! Is there a doctor in the house? Kailangan na oxygen tank, Paus.
Oh my God, oh my God. Wag muna. Wag ka muna sumama kay kamatayan, okay? Wag muna. Pero Tita Baby, kamusta ang Pride so far? Ito ang first Pride mo as a Ru girl, diba? So, kamusta just being able to meet so many people, being able to share your creativity and artistry with everyone else?
You know, it's a real privilege to actually perform in front of all of you. Maraming salamat. At ay pabay-bay ko yan. Akin yan eh. Thank you so much. You know, Paus, Pride Month is so spectacular. Kasi, as you all know, ako ang pinakamatanda.
Talaga?
Ang Drag Race Philippines cast member, diba? Alam niyo ba yun? Akala niyo si Kat, diba? Ako. And you know, growing up, we were living, the LGBTQI community used to live in shame. But now, because nandiyan kayong lahat at magkakasama tayo sa isang community, we are now so proud and proud to be who we are. So nakikita ko yan sa araw-araw ng mga show, hosting, performance, pati sa social media, especially now during Pride Month. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. That wouldn't have happened kung wala ho kayong lahat. Maraming salamat.
Yes, diba? Tita Baby, number 2 sa balota. Palakpakan natin.
Susunod na eleksyon, ha?
Alright, of course, we are ang aming ating partners from PLDT Home and SM North EDSA have a very special something for you.
Thank you to LDT Home for inviting us over. Thank you so much.
So quick photo op muna with the audience behind you. Stand over here. Ayan.
Kaya may isa sa'yo. Sa'yo yung isa.
Picture muna. Smile, everyone.
Thank you po.
Alright. Everybody say, ang sarap mo, Tita Baby. In 3, 2, 1. baby. Alright! So again, maraming salamat sa ating partners na SM North